Si Kuya Mango, si Aki, kasi nag-ano siya, yung parang ninja, yung King Paco. So
we forgot to record.
yeah.
So,
And tapos merong ano doon, hater. Grabe. Tapos sinabi pa sa amin, your mom is so poopy and ugly. Sabi ko sa kanya, Scarlett, tatay mo, pangit. Hindi namin yung record kasi baka may mga batang nanonood and parang sad naman kasi baka may ano doon and tapos may mga bata nanonood sa amin na sasabihin, what the? Ala, helping my family. Wow. Vote Indigo. Vote Indigo. Are you scared of excited from AI?
bro,
Na. Guys, sabi ng mama ko, pagka may pera na daw siya, bibili niya na daw ako ng Roblox. Roblox na Robux. Robux. Magkakaroon na rin ako ng
Roblox.
Pag may naiipon na daw siya marami, bibili niya daw ako ng Robux. Tapos pag birthday ko pa, mabili ko sa kanya yung 1K. Birthday ko naman eh.
Malapit naman birthday ko.
Oo, malapit sa birthday mo. Tapos ako 1 year pa bago mag-birthday kasi 9 na ako. Tapos doon.
Ilan yung 1 year? Mga June?
Ano yung June? 1 month lang yun. 1 month lang yun.
Ba't ilan ba?
Malayo. Pagtapos ng New Year, 1 year na yun. Di ba guys? Tama ako. What's your one favorite? Submit.
Guys, what's your favorite color in real life?
I like pink because, and
Me, blue.
I like pink and blue and white. That's my favorite choice.
Me, blue only.
Blue only? Ayaw mo ng green? Bakit mo ayaw mo ng black? Donut mo nga, black. Tapos yung Chucky, black. Oh. Tapos ayaw mo din ng white. Yung white sky, yung Yakult mo white. Tapos yung tablet mo white. Ayaw mo nun?
Yan.
Yes.
White yung vlogget. White yung diaper.
And every game.
Yeah. White yung langit. White yung diaper. Ano? Susot ko yung diaper.
Oo nga, no? But I respect every games. Yeah.
Smart Aki.
Every game.
Yan, isa pa.
Indigo.
Yan, may isa pa. Sabi mo, Chucky yung block. Ano, tayo ko block?
Every game is cringe. Everybody's Indigo.
Ante.
Is liar or fake.
Maker. Motor.
Indigo. Mamamatay ka na, Indigo. Indigo, mamamatay ka na. Say bye-bye.
Robux.
Say Bye, bye, bye.
Yung Roblox ay ano, ay keycard at yung Robux ay at naroon
Mango,
na tayo.
don't pretend. Pretend. Mango, don't pretend. DJ, you should pick Indigo. I guess you're acting. Stop yapping. Was me. Victimin. Si DJ pala to. Yung friend niya. Grabe to Grabe. Hindi pa ako naging guys. Lag yun lag. Lag. Cherry lag. Cherry lag.
Oh my God,
Oh my God, I'm so pretty. Are you pretty? Akala ko ba lalaki ka? Tinahan niya guys maglakad siya parang lag. Yarn. Lag yarn.
Yan, sabi mo to.
Balas na. Mango. Did you know Kuya Mango? Mango, did you know Kuya Mango? I am real but not little sis. Mango, did you know Kuya Mango? He's my friend. She's my friend. In the tree.
Yes.
In the tree. She's my friend in the tree.
Ay, babang ko.
Hate it.
Hello, babadi. Hello, babadi.
I call Kuya Mango cause he's older. I call Kuya Mango cause she's older. I have school. I am kid. Bruh. Everyone have skull. Except
Kuya Mango.
except but I hate math.
What did you say? My favorite is math. Guys, do not say I hate math or else. Because I'm very good at English.
Booster.
Ano, May? Ang boy na tutulog ng ganyan?
Alam mo pala eh. Alam pala eh.